Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can blur in CapCut PC. But before that, if you don't know what is CapCut, it is a free all-in-one video editing application in which it offers an intuitive, user-friendly interface making it accessible for both beginners and experienced editors. And now to start adding here an effect of blur in our CapCut PC, the first thing that you need to do is to simply open your CapCut on your PC and click the import button on the left side panel under the video and simply choose the file or the video that you want to edit. And by dragging it directly below in our timeline, we can start adding an effects to it or add a blur to it. If you want to blur the whole video, just click the effects button on the top panel, and on the left side of it, you could also navigate under the video effects and just search on the search bar the blur. And now it will show in here all of the result of the blur. So you can simply choose here first, for example, this one. Upon clicking the plus button, it will automatically be directed our blur effect in here. You could also adjust the duration of it or also choose a specific time of moment in here. You could also choose this motion blur if you want to, blur other type of blur effects, and many more. But that makes our video all blur in here. But if you only want a kind of video to have a blur on a specific area in here or subject, just simply copy and paste here or Control C and Control V on your keyboard and simply drag the effect of blur directly in here video or to the second clip. And once done, just simply go on the right side panel under the video or by simply clicking on it, then click the mask button or option in here to proceed. And simply choose add mask and choose here the specific type of mask that you prefer. Or alternatively, you could also scroll down to reverse the process of mask. Instead, just simply click this icon right here. By doing so, it will automatically be reversed, or you could also set to choose or adjust the size of here of this mask. You can blur specific only the face, for example, or any part of the subject in here. So as you can see, the whole video, only the face is already blur. So basically, we can already have the whole video to make it blur using the effects button or option on the top panel, and also using the mask option or tools. We can only choose to blur a specific subject within the video. And overall, that is just basically how you can blur in CapCut PC.